I pulled my friend Susan DeLoach out from behind the camera to join me in my kitchen studio, where we're going to make a festive Caesar salad. And I don't know, Susan, if you realize this or not, but I created this salad for you for your birthday.
Oh, no.
Susan's husband and I were top secret a couple years ago planning a surprise party for Susan. And I knew that her favorite salad was a Caesar salad because she got it every time we went to the restaurant and we got a salad. So, and she always got it with chicken, but I made these little mini Caesar salads to serve at your party. And these are the ingredients that I used, and now it was so good, it's a staple on my catering menu, and I'm going to share it.
I had no idea.
Yes, this really should be Susan's festive Caesar salad, but it's really simple, and we're going to make it together today. So what we're going to start with is a head of romaine lettuce. This is actually a heart. If you get the whole big thing, then you get much leafier, the greener stuff. But don't you like the lighter color, the harder lettuce?
Yeah, I do. I like it to be crisp and a little bit firm rather than especially for romaine, instead of being wimpy. I like it to be crispy.
Yeah, so you really want to get the hearts like this then. All I'm going to do is just chop some lettuce. And I have the other ingredients ready. One of them is boiled eggs, and they need to be diced. Susan, can you do those? Thank you, ma'am. It's so much easier to use them with an egg slicer.
Yeah, I love these things.
Than to cut them yourself.
Uh-oh, it came apart.
Oops. The egg slicer did?
Yep, that's just how you clean it. You have to take that piece out to clean it. So.
See, I didn't know that.
In and out.
I threw the whole thing in the dishwasher. Okay, well, thanks, Susan.
You're welcome.
Cooking tip.
Now that you know.
Yes. Thank you.
And you want me to drop these in there?
Actually, not yet.
Nope.
Just if you could slice them up. Here, I'll give you the cutting board to put them on, though. I'll dump this in. So I'm just going to put this head of lettuce in a salad bowl. There we go. I think we need all of them, maybe 3.
Okay.
And I'm going to mix the salad with a little bit of, this is just bottled Caesar dressing. So I'm going to do this first, and then we're going to plate it kind of like a Cobb salad, where you see all the layers. Yeah. Yep. So, here we go. So if you go a little heavier with your dressing, it's okay because you're going to have all the other stuff on top that's going to go in it. So that is good. And I have a platter, and we're just going to build. So I think 1 romaine heart is probably enough for 3 or 4 people, especially by the time you get all the stuff on it. So let's just make some rows. I have some chopped bacon. Actually, it's not chopped. I like to cook bacon and cut it with scissors so that it has more texture. If you crumble bacon, lots of times you get lots of chunks and then lots of little crumbs. So I like to cut mine with scissors. So if you want to do a line of the eggs, yep.
Okay.
And then I have some sun-dried tomatoes.
I love sun-dried tomatoes.
Yummy. And
I love eggs.
Yes.
All my
all
favorite
this
things.
stuff.
Now that I know it was for me too. Wow.
I know, Susan's special salad. Okay, and then I have shaved Parmesan. I don't know why I keep calling the wrong name. I like the texture of this better than the shredded kind, but that's just me. I know lots of salads have, or lots of Caesar salads have that. And then we're going to put some croutons on the side, or as we call them in our house, croutons. And I don't know where that came from. So this is our beautiful salad. We're going to clean up, and then we're going to come back and eat the thing. So we're back, and this time with a glass of wine. And since Susan's birthday is coming up, we're going to recreate her birthday. And she gets to wear a crown for the day.
And of course she blindsided me with this.
Of course I did.
Let her do it if I had known.
Anyway, your birthday is coming up in a couple of days, and I didn't forget. So happy birthday.
Aww.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is my face red? I feel like I'm flushed.
If it's not, it should be.
All right, and so let's dig into our salad. Go first. It's your birthday.
Oh my goodness. Well, you
Actually,
have to.
we gotta get a picture.
Yep. Okay. So let's do that.
Okay.
And I have to wear this?
Yes, you have to wear this. And you really ought to just put this in the video so people can see how we are behind the scenes.
What?
Taking pictures.
Oh.
We have to stop and take a picture and come back and take a picture.
Well, I can leave this running,
Yeah.
but I can't take a picture of me in it with this running.
Oh, okay. Then you have to pause to take a picture.
Yes. Have to pause.
Be right back. So let's eat this beautiful creation. Your birthday, you go first.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And it looks like we should probably serve it sideways.
Yeah, that way too you can, if you
Get a
want,
little bit of the
if you
goodies
want a
first.
little more bacon, you can get a little more bacon. This would also be good with black olives, and I started to add that.
Oh, that would be yummy.
Yeah, and then you can always add chicken or shrimp or something like that too. But I thought I would stay true to my real recipe and do it the way I did for your birthday. That was a few years ago.
I don't want to tell how many years.
I didn't say how many years. Hey, I want to stay friends.
More than 2.
Yeah.
Less than 10.
Anyway, hope y'all enjoy this as much as we do. And I appreciate you coming out from behind the camera to hang out with me.
Thank you. It's hard for me to do that here.
I love you. I do love you dearly.
I love you too, my friend. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Many more, hopefully.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.